dear students, today the topic of the class is binary arithmetic. In this class we will be understanding the need of binary arithmetic and solving few problems on binary addition and binary subtraction. Okay, let us start the class. The need of binary arithmetic. As you know, computer circuits do not process decimal numbers, they process binary numbers. So, binary arithmetic is necessary because computer circuits works on a process on binary arithmetic. Binary arithmetic means binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication and binary division. In this, binary addition is the key to binary subtraction, binary multiplication and binary division. So, what are the rules for binary addition? How to do binary addition? It's a table explaining about it. I have taken two numbers, A and B are the inputs. After adding, what is the sum and carry? So, these two columns indicate input and these two columns indicates the output column. So, as we are having two inputs, we will be having four combinations. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 combinations. How to write these combinations? 0, 1, 2, 3. What is 0? 0, 0. 1 is 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. So, we have taken the input columns 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So, let us do the addition. When you are adding 0 plus 0, sum will be 0, carry is also 0. If you are adding 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. If the inputs are 1 and 0, 1 plus 0 will give sum as 1, carry as 0. If 1 plus 1 is added, 1 plus 1 will give the sum 0 and carry as 1. That is 1 plus 1 will give sum 0 and carry will be 1. Okay, sum is 0, carry is 1. So, 0 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 0. 1, 0 will give 1, 0. 1, 1 will give sum 0, carry as 1. Coming to rules for binary subtraction. So, A and B are the inputs, difference and borrow are the output columns. As there are two inputs, there will be 2 to the power of n possible combinations. So, n here is how much? 2. 1, 2, 2 input variables, n is 2. So, how many possible combinations you can write? 2 to the power 2, that is 4. So, we have written 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What is in decimal? It is 0, 1, 2 and 3 in decimal. Those numbers 0 is in binary is 0, 0, 1 is 0, 1, 2 is 1, 0 and 3 is 1, 1. So, if the inputs are 0, 0, the difference is 0, borrow is 0. 0 minus 1. If you are doing 0 minus 1, you have to take borrow 1 and then do the difference. So, 1, 0 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, difference is coming as 1 and borrow is also 1. So, difference is 1, borrow is 1. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 difference is 1, borrow is 0. 1 minus 1 difference is 0, carry is 0, borrow is 0. Okay. For 0, 0 difference is 0, borrow is 0. For 0, 1 difference is 1, borrow is 1. For 1, 0 difference is 1, borrow is 0. For 1, 1 difference is 0, borrow is 0. You have to remember these rules for solving problems. So, let us start with the first problem. Add 1, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 1, 1. You have to do the binary addition. Okay, so let us write the problem. 1 0 1 0 is added with 0 0 1 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1, how much it is? 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. So we will take 0 here, 1 here. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. So by adding 1 0 1 0 binary with 0 0 1 1 binary, we are getting the answer as 1 1 0 1. Okay, 1 1 0 1. Let us do the second problem. Subtract. Subtract 0 1 0 1 from 1 0 1 1. Base is 2, so they are binary numbers. So from it is saying, so I have to write this one on the top. So the number 1 0 1 1. You have to subtract with 0 1 0 1. Okay. So what is 1 minus 1? 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0, difference is 1, borrow is 0. 1 minus 1 is 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1. So you have to borrow 1. So it will become 2. 2 minus 1, difference is 1. So for 0 minus 1, borrow is 1, difference is 1. Difference is 1. So as you have borrowed it here, it's not, it becomes 0. So you are left 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. So what is the result for this? Zero 1 0 1 subtracted from 1 0 1 1 in binary. If you subtract these two numbers, you will be getting the answer as 0 1 1 0, that is 6 in decimal. Okay. Let us do the third problem. Add 28 and 15 in binary. This is a given question. So what does it mean? 28 is a decimal number. I have to first convert it into binary number. 28 decimal and 15 is also a decimal number. You have to convert them into binary. How to convert decimal to binary? Divide by 2. So dividing 28 by 2, 2 14s are, remainder is 0, 2 7s are 0, 2 3s are, 1 is left, 2 1s are, 1 is left. Okay. So what is (28) decimal in binary? You have to read this way. Okay. So it will become 1 1 1, that is 1 1 0 0, 1 1 0 in binary. So now next we have to convert this 15 into binary. 2 7s are, 1 is left, 2 3s are, 1 is left, 2 1s are, 1 is left. So 15 decimal is converted, you have to read this way. So it is 4 1s in binary. Now you have to add, what is a given question? 28 plus 15. You have to add them in binary. So 28 is 1 1 1 0 0, here there are 5 numbers, but here we are left with only 4, so you can add 1 0 to it here. So 0, 4 ones. Okay, so 0 plus 1 is 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0, that is sum is 0, carry is 1, 0, carry is 1, 1 plus 1, 1 0, 1 plus 1 is 1 0 plus 1, so it will be 1 1, 1 is written here and 1 is carry. So 1 plus 0 is 1, and with this one it becomes 1 0, like this. Okay, so what is the answer? 28 decimal when added with 15 decimal gives how much? 43. 43 in decimal. So we had done this work in binary. So how to write the answer? How to represent 28? 111 00 in binary when added with 15 is 4 ones. But here there are 5 bits, so we add 1 0 to it and add. So we are getting the answer as 1010 11 in binary. Okay, in this way we can do the binary addition. The given question is 28, 15, add them in binary. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck, students.